1.
Create or download something. In Sims 4 Studio, create 3D mesh. Object. Locate a lounger. Export mesh.
2.
In Blender, import your object. Delete unnecessary mesh from outliner. Make your object fit. On original, delete verts. Select yours, select original, join them. Select material, delete blank. Select checkerboard. Select your texture. Tweak UV if need be. If your texture is not there by default, in image, open image, do your thing. When done, save them. Delete shadow verts. Merge all to Studio Mesh _0. Save as shadow. In Sims 4 Studio, re-import meshes and textures. Done. Is this the definition of a tasty lounge? No? Okay.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.